Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to preview your app in Base44. The first thing I want you to do is just load in your workspace. Come here at the bottom, just choose your app that you want to preview. Okay, and then all you need to do once it loads up is come here and tap on this icon right here to preview it. And there's different ways to preview it. There's the desktop view, which is what we are in right now. And there's also the mobile view. So I can come here at the top panel, choose this one to switch to mobile view. Everything here, as you can see, is fully functional. So I can go ahead and test out the app. Now, another way to test out all the capabilities is just come here and click on this icon to share the app, copy the link, and you can go ahead and open it up on your browser. So I'll just open it up here on an incognito tab just to show you what our app looks like and how we can go ahead and preview this app. And there you go. That is how to preview your app in Base 44.